How's it going, everyone? I want to talk about ticker CYCU. It's one of my most favorite penny stocks. I do not like to talk about penny stocks in this environment. It is really freaking hard. It's been, a disaster, right? I'm in another penny stock that if you're in my Discord, you know what it is. I'm kind of holding out here. I'm going to keep you guys really transparent and real. When I win, I know we're going to celebrate. When we lose, we go through it together. So have proper risk management, but I have to take a stab at this one because it meets all my system requirements, and it's one of the most rarest things I've seen. And it's one of the most oversold patterns too. So I could wake up making 100% the next day. This is what this kind of pattern that I'm seeing. So CYCU is the ticker. You can see it at the top left here. They deal with the software and IT services. They're based in the United States. I got this one at 72 cents. Alerted this right here in the swing trade alerts. I said, I got to take this CYCU. It's just too good, right? I'm in some bigger cap stocks we have made massive money on soon. Just recently, BBAI, and lots of others. I'm in some Tesla. But for a small cap stock, penny stock that can make massive returns, higher risk, this is the one I'm going to take. So CYCU, if you look at the daily chart, this is why I like it. Obviously, I cannot use this lower Keltner channel, okay? This is a negative number. When you see a negative number, and it's because they jacked it up where they pumped it up so much, you're going to see both bands contract. But what I have noticed, and what has not failed me a lot, is this extremely low K value. It's at 1.02. And not just because of that, it's just also because of the extreme time distance from this EMA5. This thing has had a big, massive sell-off, guys. We went down 44% here, another 66%, and then a lot of people got attention. You can see these are low volume down moves. I don't really pay attention to that. I pay attention to when there's some big volume down moves. Like this candle here had 18 million volume, down 11%, 19 million, down 45%, and then another 16%, in 26%, 11%, and you can see the major 10%, another 8%. It just keeps going down and down. There was actually some good times where you guys could have took some profit here. It doesn't really show on the daily chart, but I would have totally been down for this. From this lowest to the highest, this was a 28% marginal return. That gave you exactly, easily that 10% that I always tell people to take. So as I'm talking about this, I love the daily chart. The K value is at literally 1.01. That is, it will never go to zero. All right, guys, I've never seen this in the history. This can get, I think the lowest I've ever seen this was probably a 0.70. So I had to take a shot. This is just, we started seeing some green volume coming in right here on this candle. And then it went, market's bad, so it went down. It's got good volume. It's got over 1 million. I'm not going to trade penny stocks that don't have decent volume. There's got to be bulls and bears. And to this range, to this EMA5, you're looking at least 122%. That's why I say this could wake up at any moment. Most of the pennies that run are going to be after hours and pre-market. So they're not going to show a lot of the times when I go over these. You're not going to see this pump. This can easily pump pre-market and after hours, but you're not going to see it on the daily chart. So do keep in mind, be readily available once these start pumping. And I'll alert it in the Discord when I see it. So you won't miss it there. I'll tag you guys if you're in there. But just to that, and then to the EMA 10, you're looking at 550%. I would ignore this EMA 10. Let's just focus on the EMA 5. Let's not be greedy. Take our 10% plus gains. I'm personally probably looking for 20% up. I think this can get going really big, low K value, and let's count the EMA 5 time distance. We have we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 daily candles of EMA 5, not touching the EMA 5. All right, I think this is really good. You guys can let me know in the YouTube comments below, but when I've been seeing these kind of setups, we've made pretty good money doing this. You can see right here, we have a long lower wick, kind of an up and down, unconsidered, not really know what to do there. You can sign to see you're in this range bound here. So I wanted to kind of take it in this area, just to this upper range for my average. You're looking at least 20%, and that would be a nice, goal to have. And if it goes down, I'll just keep playing it in this range. But we know the end goal is this EMA 5, all right? This is the end goal, the EMA 5, and that has massive room up. All right, so I don't want anyone to be greedy. Always have your price targets. You should never rely on me to say, hey, guys, let's sell the stock. If you're up over 10%, try to take some gains. Me personally, I'm looking for at least 20%. I'm going to take out 60% of my shares, hold the rest at break even. If I nail this bottom to a T, I can easily do that without getting stop lossed, right? So if this pumps up 20%, I'm going to sell out a lot of my shares, hold some at break even, and see where this goes. Because I've seen these plays go straight to the EMA 10. I'm not saying this is going to do that, but I've seen this happen. But this is one of the lowest K values in the history of the stock market this current day time. So I got to take a shot at this, guys. All right, so once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 daily candles not touching the EMA 5, low K value, massive range to the EMA 5. And you might ask, well, why am I keep mentioning this EMA 5? Because EMA 5 is a resistance point. When price is below the EMAs like this, you can clearly see this is a downtrend stock. Price in general is going to go down, but they're going to have little bumps, and those EMAs are going to be your things. Now, how do I look to size in? I'm not putting all my size in one ad, just in case if I terribly mess up, because there's been some times where, a lot of the times it's been straight on point. I'm not gonna lie, this past week or two, there's been some times where it's just been hard. I'm not gonna lie. Trading is hard. I'm never gonna say I'm gonna be, I'm like the best trader ever. I've had some hard. This past week has been hard. I'm in another penny stock, and it's just a waiting game. But I do know with this system, what's nice about it is everything reverts to the mean. So I know that I have a lot of confidence in this system, and I usually accumulate once a day. So if I buy this at 72 cents, I'm gonna have some more ads on the next day if it does go lower. So I'm not like just totally out of the loop. If it does go lower, I have another ad that I'm willing to do. I usually have 3 to 4 ads, all right? And then I have a max I'm gonna put in this. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below, and in the description it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, please click how to subscribe. But basically all you have to do is hit this day trade alerts right here, or this channel up in here, day trade alerts, and you get access to everything for only 12 bucks a month. I'm going to give you guys a lifetime of a deal that you guys are going to love. You can make massive money doing this. I'm not going to say you're going to become a millionaire, but you can make realistic results. All right. This is not some, get in here, make, you're going to all have Lambos, millionaire houses and all that. I make a decent living doing these strategies. This is real results, real trading that I do, putting real money into these on how I've been trading and refurbishing this strat. It's a really good strat every time, but obviously with swing trading there comes with risk, right? So I want everyone to join the day trade alerts and learn my day trading strategy. I have only 2 losses in February, and the purpose of my day trading strategy is it works with big or small accounts. If you just have a simple $2,000 account, the goal is to make at least 50% of that every month. So $1,000 profit every month for a 2K, 3K, $1,500 every month. And so you get the point. It's really good strategy. You guys are going to love it. So hit day trade alerts, subscribe on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. If you have an Android, you will have to subscribe on your computer because they're having issues with that. But once you do that, you're just fine, okay? And then lastly, if you're not from the United States, it will charge you a little extra. It'll be like $15 or $16. But rest assured, you're getting guys a lifetime discount where you get access to all this. As long as you stay subscribed, it will never go up in price. So you're going to get swing trading education, day trading education, day trade alerts, swing trade alerts, live streams. All right, everything is in here for you guys. And then also you can type in the premium chat and if you have any questions. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.